Some discoveries change the world once in a generation: penicillin, electricity, the internet. But today, we're entering a new chapter, one where humans aren't the only ones making world-changing discoveries. Artificial intelligence is discovering too. From designing life-saving drugs to rewriting how we understand language, AI is not just a tool, it's becoming a co-pilot of innovation. This is the story of 5 discoveries, some human, some machine, and some a fusion of both, that are redefining what's possible. Let's start with something that baffled scientists for 50 years: protein folding. Proteins are the machines of life. Every function in your body, from your heartbeat to your immune system, runs on proteins. But here's the twist. Proteins start as flat chains of amino acids. It's how they fold into 3D shapes that determines what they can do. For decades, predicting these complex shapes was one of the hardest problems in biology. Then came AlphaFold, an artificial intelligence system built by DeepMind. Using machine learning trained on thousands of known protein structures, AlphaFold learned the rules of folding, and it worked. It predicted nearly every known protein structure with remarkable accuracy. And when COVID-19 hit, AlphaFold stepped in to help model the virus's infamous spike protein, one of the keys to developing effective vaccines. This wasn't just faster science, it revolutionized biology, accelerating research across medicine, agriculture, and more. What used to take years of trial and error in a lab, AI now does in minutes. Next, let's talk about language. We don't often think about how complex language is: context, tone, slang, grammar, logic. For years, machines struggled to truly understand it. Until now, ChatGPT and other large language models changed everything. Built on billions of text samples, ChatGPT doesn't just repeat. It generates, summarizes, teaches, writes code, tells stories, and even helps diagnose legal or medical issues. Students use it to study, developers use it to debug, businesses use it to communicate, and yes, it even writes YouTube scripts. This isn't about AI replacing people, it's about expanding how we interact with information. Think of it as a universal assistant, one that's read everything, forgets nothing, and responds in seconds. It's not perfect, but it's evolving fast. Language used to be uniquely human. Now it's something we share with machines. Drug discovery is slow, risky, and expensive. On average, it takes over a decade to bring a single drug to market, and it can cost over $2 billion. That's because scientists need to search through millions of molecules, test combinations, simulate reactions, and run endless trials. But with AI, that process is getting a turbo boost. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Atomwise are using AI to design entirely new molecules that could treat diseases we still struggle with. AI runs simulations to predict how a drug will bind to a target, like a lock and key, and quickly rules out bad candidates. In 2021, In Silico's AI-designed drug for fibrosis reached human trials, a historic first. And that's just the start. Imagine AI scanning thousands of diseases, matching them with molecule blueprints, and designing cures before symptoms even show up. This is where AI becomes not just a tool, but a partner in saving lives. CRISPR was already revolutionary. It gave scientists the ability to edit DNA, the source code of life, with high precision. But pairing it with AI takes it to an entirely new level. Instead of trial and error, AI helps identify exactly which genes to edit and even predicts potential side effects before a single experiment begins. This is especially powerful for complex diseases with multiple genetic causes, like certain cancers or neurological conditions. One promising use? A therapy for sickle cell anemia, where CRISPR, guided by AI, is being tested to correct the faulty gene that causes the disease. It's targeted, fast, and safe, made possible by deep learning models trained on thousands of genomes. We're not just curing illness anymore, we're editing the blueprint of life itself, with AI as our microscope and scalpel. And finally, the materials that power our future. Batteries are the heart of electric vehicles, renewable energy, and modern life. But better batteries require better materials, and finding those has always been painfully slow. Enter AI. Researchers now use machine learning to predict material properties, test battery chemistries, and simulate stress, heat, and degradation, all before building anything in the lab. This has led to breakthroughs like solid-state batteries that are safer and longer-lasting, faster charging electrodes, and ultralight alloys for aerospace and electric vehicles. Instead of waiting years, we now find promising candidates in weeks or even days. AI is compressing the timeline of invention, helping us build a cleaner, faster, more sustainable world. These 5 discoveries aren't just impressive, they're signals of a deeper shift. We're witnessing the fusion of human brilliance and machine precision, not a competition, a collaboration. AI isn't replacing scientists, it's amplifying them. And as AI continues to learn, predict, and discover, we'll unlock new frontiers in medicine, energy, biology, and beyond. If you want more game-changing discoveries, future tech, and breakthroughs that matter, subscribe now and stay ahead of what's coming next.